First, you have to open the Facebook app. Sign into your Facebook account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to Menu, here in the bottom right corner. Then you can search for Delete. Here you see Personal Details. Tap on it. Okay, here you see your personal details, but you also see your account ownership and control. Click on it. Here you see deactivation or deletion. Click on it. Here you see your accounts. You see your Facebook account and your Instagram accounts or account. Click on the account which you want to delete. So in this case, it's Facebook. Okay, deactivating or deleting your Facebook account. If you want to take a break from Facebook, you can temporarily deactivate this account. If you want to permanently delete your account, let us know. So here you can choose what you want to do with your account. Do you want to deactivate your account? Deactivating is temporary. Or do you want to delete your account, and deleting your account is permanent. What you read here, when you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information that you've shared on Facebook. Your main profile, Messenger, and all of your messages will also be deleted. But when you deactivate your account and main profile will be deactivated, and your name and photos will be removed from most things that you've shared. You will be able to continue using Messenger. So make your choice, and then you can click on continue. And now you can follow the further steps for deactivating or deleting your Facebook account.